Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Here's our comprehensive review of Hi.me VPN, designed to help you determine if it's the right VPN for your needs. Find convenient links to the product in the description below. Let's get started. Hi.me VPN prioritizes user privacy with its strict no-logs policy, independently verified to guarantee your data remains protected. A core strength is its robust security, employing AES 256-bit encryption, IPv6 leak protection, and the WireGuard protocol for a powerful combination of speed and security. With a network of over 2,100 servers spread across more than 80 global locations, Hi.me provides consistent and dependable connections no matter where you are. A distinguishing feature of Hi.me is its split tunneling capability. This allows users to choose which applications utilize the VPN connection and which ones connect directly to the internet. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and streamers who might want certain applications to bypass the VPN for optimal performance. Another valuable feature is Stealth Guard, which blocks internet access unless connected to the VPN, providing essential protection on public Wi-Fi networks. Hi.me also includes a kill switch to prevent data leaks should your VPN connection unexpectedly drop. Optimized speeds through WireGuard make Hi.me suitable for high-definition streaming on platforms like Netflix and YouTube, as well as lag-free torrenting and gaming. A free plan is available, offering a generous 10 GB of monthly data and access to a limited selection of servers, an excellent opportunity to try the service before committing. So, who is Hi.me best suited for? It's an ideal choice for anyone who values online privacy, including remote workers handling sensitive data, travelers accessing geo-restricted content, or users looking to avoid ISP throttling. Its user-friendly applications for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and other platforms make it accessible to users of all technical levels. In conclusion, Hi.me VPN offers a compelling combination of robust security, valuable features, and dependable performance. This makes it a leading contender for users prioritizing privacy and reliability. Click the links in the description to explore Hi.me further. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.